Hey guys, Gary Spagnoli here from Zen Anchor. I'm here with Kenneth Bandong, our analytics specialist. Ken is leading these tutorials, helping us switch all of our clients over to Google Analytics 4. The purpose of these tutorials is to give guidance on how GA4 can actually be better than Universal Analytics. Today, we're going to be reviewing what views are and why there are no views within GA4, and how you can use alternative methods to get even better insight. Ken, want to say what's up? And then we'll get into screen share.
Hey guys, hope everyone's doing well and thank you for watching this video.
Awesome, cool. So let's jump into screen share here. Thank you, Ken. We'll try to keep this one short. So first, what is the problem? The problem is, where are views in GA4? What the hell is a view? So first, I want to give an example of what a view is. We have here some of the Zen Anchor analytics accounts. We're not going to be reviewing any of our clients' data, but the purpose of views is the following. Oftentimes, we can set up within Universal Analytics a raw data view, which is often all website data. Then we may set up another report that filters out by only a subdomain. So in this case, it was go.optolingo.com. The third may be a testing ground for us to test out different conversion actions, different events. We also may want to filter out regular traffic and only have internal or staging traffic. So views, also mobile used to be broken out as its own separate view in Universal Analytics. And so we have like legacy accounts that would have multiple views in place. In GA4, we can't do that by default. That doesn't exist. But there is something new, which is we can use filters within the data streams. Let me just button up on views. Is there anything else I should add, Ken, in terms of the views that used to exist with UA?
Actually, you have said it all. Those are the three main views that needs to be set up when someone's using Universal Analytics or setting up Universal Analytics property. But then, since it's about to be, it's about to sunset, so it's time to move on and use GA4 now.
All right, cool. So let's talk about the GA4 solutions that exist. So this is the GA4 view for analyticsmates.com. We are moving over to the acquisition, or under the reports tab, under acquisition. We're going to try out different views under user acquisition. So the way that we were going to structure this, rather than being able to break this out by subdomain or by raw traffic, what we really want to experiment with is adding filters for any sort of dimension that's by default within the account. So for example, you could break this out by device or device category. That we can just check off mobile. We can apply this. This is going to give us a view of just the mobile traffic. We have to reset this filter on any of these different reports found on the left panel, but now we're breaking out mobile on its own. In addition to that, other filters that are useful, I find, as a marketer, are going to be city, country, and region. A lot of our accounts are going to require this. By default, you may want to look at country, filter only by the United States, and see how that impacts our reporting overall, removing any international traffic, and now we can see how it compares. So are there any other filters you want to highlight, Ken?
Well, usually those are the only two filters that that was usually set up in Universal Analytics. The geography and the type of device, because usually in Universal Analytics we don't have, or if we need to check on the mobile view or mobile data, it's on a separate view. So
yeah. So okay, cool. So the biggest thing that we want to emphasize is use filters instead of views, because they don't exist anymore. There is an alternative within Google Analytics 360 that allows you to create sub-properties, which are similar to the views, where you can break it out like all website data, raw data, or subdomain data. But for now, when you're in the account, focus on filters and adding those filters to all of your reporting. Cool. Hope this was helpful. We'll be sharing some links and more documentation down below. If you have any questions, reach out to us at analyticsmates.com. Thank you so much for joining us. Cheers.
Thank you, guys. Cheers.